Hey, I'm Michael from the Man Rescue Dog Foundation. Today I will show you the Distemper unit we have built. And the Distemper unit was built in the name of Lemon, a little puppy that was found on the streets where we feed the dogs. And she had walked around 2 kilometers to be able to find us. So this unit is named after her, the Lemon Distemper unit. In the Distemper unit, we treat dogs that have distemper, of course, and they are placed here with IV fluids, and we have a cooler with medication. The room is airtight. It has an exhaust that the air from this unit will go over the building, and it's about 5 meters. This virus is very contagious. It's transferred via saliva, blood. It can survive in the soil for months. It's airborne. It's just a nasty virus. That's why we urge all the people to vaccinate their dogs. Come on. We have a laundry machine and a tumble dryer. So when the veterinarians come here, if we have a case of distemper, they go in and they clean up, give them medication and food, take a shower, do the laundry, and change to new clothes, and then they walk out. So the only thing leaving this unit is healthy dogs, hopefully. If there's no dogs with distemper here, we use it for dogs with parvovirus. Hey boys and girls, I'm Michael from the Man Rescue Dog Foundation. Today I will show you the kitchen. Here we have the central kitchen, and we have Pamu is doing the food here. And we do serve the food twice a day, morning and afternoon. And we feed around 1,400 meals a day, or is it 1,700 meals per day? Okay, let's have a look. We boil this rice, this big rice boiler, we do 10 times per day. So it's 10 times per day, so it's 10 stacks. And we mix the food with boiled meat and dry food. And then we put them in the buckets and we drive out to the different departments twice a day, morning and afternoon. This kitchen was finalized in January 2019, and it's located next to Shelter 2, where we will cover next episode.